Jeanette here from Creations PS 91. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's tutorial is on the Roman Cross Granny Square. This year, you guys, I am using up all of my extra yarns, so I know you got some. So grab them and let's make a Roman Cross Granny Square. All right, you guys, let's start the Roman Cross Granny Square. So I already did my slip knot, and so now I am going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I am going to put my hook in the first chain, making a ring. Okay, and then we are going to chain 2. And we are going to put two more double crochets inside of the ring, okay? And it's going to form a cluster. It's the typical granny square, this part here. Right here. Now, since it gave us 3 double crochets. I'm sorry, I wasn't in the frame. But 3 double crochets. Okay, and so now we are going to chain 1, and I'm going to do this 3 more times. I'm going to do 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, until I have 4 clusters. I call these clusters. So go ahead and do that motion. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. That's 2 clusters so far. Now we're going to put 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And then chain 1, and then 3 more clusters. 1, 2, and 3. And then that chain 1, and we have our 4 clusters. 1, 2, 3. Look like I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And so now we're going to take that, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch. And the way you know you did this is when you can see the cross. Okay, let me go ahead and open up. There we go, and you can see the cross right there. So now we're going to chain 2, and this is still the regular granny square. I call this one the closed granny square. So we're going to put a double crochet right when we slip stitched, and a double crochet in each stitch. When we get to our space right here, we're going to do, let me get some more yarn. We are going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Okay, there we go. Chain 1, 2 double crochets. Okay, and we're going to do that all the way around. When you get right here, you want to kind of tug that back a little bit, because there's a stitch right there. So you want to tug that back and put your double crochet in there. And we'll work the same thing going all the way around. Putting a double crochet in every stitch. You get to your space and you have 2 double crochets, chain 1. Okay, and trying to make sure I'm in the frame here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just work around this part right here, finishing that off. Tug that back, put your double crochet in there into your stitch here. There we go. And when you get to your space, don't forget, put your double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Okay, more yarn there, and we're almost done with this. Here we go. We're almost finished there. Okay, so we're on our last space. Okay, so 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then you want to chain 1 and then 2 double crochets. Okay, so we're on our last one, so now let's slip stitch in the first space. Okay, and then we have, now this is the row where we make our cross visible. Okay, so let me give you an example here. Bring this in. So right here, this is the 3rd row. So right here, we are going to make our cross visible. Okay. All right. So I chained 2. Now we're going to put a double crochet right in our slip stitch right here. And then we're going to put a double crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. When we get to our 3rd one, we are not going to complete that double crochet, because what we're going to do is we're going to bring in our color B. This is color A. We're going to bring in our color B to join. Okay, and I am using this taupe color, and I am going to finish that double crochet like that. Okay, and so now, since we have a friend, we have color B, we're going to take color B with us the whole way around. Okay, so now we're at our space, and we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets with our taupe color. But when we get to the last stitch, the last double crochet, we are going to not finish that double crochet, and we are going to drop 1 yarn and pick up the next. And I'll show you right here. There we go. So we want to drop color B and pick up color A. I'm going to send this one to the back, my little tail, and I am going to yarn over and finish that double crochet. Okay, and so taking color B with me, as I am putting a double crochet in each one of the stitches, and remember we want to tug and put a double crochet, because that is a stitch. Smooth that back. There we go. So now that we have our color A on, so we're going to go ahead and make double crochets in each one of our stitches, taking our color B with us. Okay, there we go. Move that back there, yarn over and tug that a little bit so you can put your stitch in there. There we go. Taking B with us. There we go. Just making it all the way. There we go. Okay, so this is our last one. Okay, I always want to finish that stitch. So we are where our space is, and so now we want to drop a color and pick up the B color, carrying our A with us and finishing that double crochet. Okay, you see that? Okay, all right. And so now we'll just put 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in our space. Oh, come on, there we go. And we'll just do this all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna finish and I'm gonna meet you back up. I'm gonna go do everything, come back, and I'll have my 4 corners and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I did all my corners and I wanted to come in right here because we are going to change our yarn here. So you're going to go ahead and do like you did the other 3 corners, and then you're going to do your 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and then when we slip stitch, you want to finish color B off, finishing that double crochet, and then when you do your slip knot, your slip stitch, you want to finish it with color B. Okay, getting excited, into your chain here, into your stitch. Sorry, you guys, I am so excited. Into your stitch right there. And so that's what that should look like. Okay, and then we're going to chain 2, and now all you do is you just do double crochet all the way around, and you will see your beautiful cross form. You can kind of see it now. You can kind of see the Roman cross now. But when you take this all the way around, which I'm going to go and take my color B all the way around, and I'll meet you right back up. All right, you guys, I am all back. So here is the Roman cross, the granny square Roman cross. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and you will make this. These are great stash busters for yarn. As you can see, I wanted to bring this in, and I know you saw it at the beginning of the video, but they are great. All this is just my extra yarns that I had, and it came out so nice. I really like my blanket. So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you is not subscribed to the channel, if you like what I'm doing on my channel, and consider subscribing. And if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, you guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.